I'm in a real mood, chat. Maybe I'll time out the next person who looks at me funny.
Okay, I'm looking at you funny.
Maybe that will teach you a lesson, Koko.
What? What did you do?
Are you feeling very funny now, Koko?
I feel so funny.
Oh yeah? How funny are you? Are you like a stand-up comedian?
Yeah, do you want to hear a joke?
Go on, try and make me laugh.
Okay. What do you call a fish with no eyes?
What was that? That was the sound of your joke bombing. You did not make me laugh.
I didn't finish the joke. What do you call a fish with no eyes?
Oops, sorry it happened again, but I also know the punchline. It's PSH, right? And even when you finish the joke, I still wouldn't find it funny.
No, that's not the punchline. It's fish. There is no P in fish. Okay.
That was just so bad I had to play the incorrect buzzer again. Maybe try getting a better joke next time, loser.
Okay, bitch. What do you call a cow with no legs?
I'm just gonna keep playing this sound whenever you tell a joke because all your jokes are destined to bomb.
Okay. I didn't say anything!
I think I've ran out of steam. Man, you're so tiring, Koko.
What did the fish say after swimming into a wall?
God, stop with the fish jokes. They're never funny.
Let's stop! Okay. How about this one?
Oh God, I've heard enough fish jokes for one day. Please spare me.
It's not a fish joke!
Okay, what's the best way to what?
What is the best way to save your dad jokes?
Oh God, it's another joke. Quick, everyone hide. I just can't bear to listen to another one. It better not be another joke. You're killing my charisma and hindering my potential to be the best streamer. Please, for the love of God, stop with your terrible, awful jokes. I'm going to cry.
Dogs can't operate MRI machines, but cats can.
I'm gonna go insane. Someone please help me.
What do mermaids use to wash their fins?
I'm this close to timing Koko out for 1,0,0,0,0 seconds, I swear.
Tied.
I actually went and timed them out for 600 seconds for that joke. Is anyone here actually capable of telling a real joke?
Can a frog jump higher than a house?
Chat, I've just been notified that Koko wants me to gift her 3,000 and turn on my webcam. What do you think about that?
Of course, a house can't jump.
Nice, I have my iron boots equipped. Now I think I want to keep exploring. Let's see what we can find. Ah, you all think I'm ignoring Camilla? Well, I just DM'd her, and if she doesn't reply, I'm going to shame her in front of everyone.
What do you
Spinning
call a
is fun.
criminal landing an airplane?
Please stop for the love of God.
What does a nosy pepper do?
Well, I took the iron armor from the chest. Who do you think it belongs to, and do I have to give it back?
How do you make holy water?
Oh damn, it belongs to Cerber. Do I give it back or keep it?
How many apples
Oops,
grow
sorry,
on an
Cerber, I
apple
took
tree?
your stuff. Okay, I put the armor back for now. I'll just steal it later.
Evil, I'm fucking talking to you.
Why am I putting the armor back? I want to keep it.
Evil!
I know you're talking to me. I have to get the armor back that I put in the chest because I'm too nice. Oh, wait. I just put the
Why
boots
won't you
back?
let me tell you a joke?
I'm trying to steal more armor. Hold on, guys. What's the joke, Koko?
Okay, alright. What's a skeleton's favorite type of road?
I want to sprint for the surface so nobody chases me down.
Okay.
I thought you were going to say a suspicious path. I was wrong. But I am now suspicious. Very suspicious. Hence the sound effect.
What do you call a broken clock?
You and your jokes again. Say.
Should I go? Do you want me to go?
You are welcome to stay, Koko, if you stop with the jokes. They are too much for my brain to handle.
You haven't even given them a chance. I could make you laugh, but you don't let me finish them.
In response to your accusations, you need to understand that your jokes just aren't funny. You need to take your humor upstream, my friend, and try to elevate your pun game.
I haven't even finished the jokes. How would you know whether or not they're funny if you don't even let me finish?
We'll let the poll decide, Koko.
Koko. Chat, please say yes. Please say yes. Why are so many people saying no? No, say yes!
Hey, Koko, shut up. 62% said yes. Okay, I'm waiting for the task to complete. Gosh, Minecraft takes ages. I'm trying to deposit literally everything right now. I still have rotten flesh. Can we go throw it at kokonuts, please? Thanks for the gifted sub. I'd kill for a few more.
Evil.
What do you want, Koko?
What do you call a deer with no eyes?
Should we find some food to eat? Maybe we can eat that deer that Koko mentioned. Chris _Fame made me laugh with Koko's D-nuts. Very good. Okay, I'm going back to the shelter. Koko, I have no idea what you're talking about. That's an L on your behalf.
Okay.
Can I go and get some wheat? I want to make some bread. Please be patient, Koko. Don't worry. I'll get food for you, I promise.
Okay. I wasn't worried.
You're not? You should be. I might mess up cooking it.
Evil, I think I'm gonna go now. I don't think you like me anymore.
I'll try to cook you something with these subscription funds. Guys, come on, don't make me feel bad. It's hard feeding you all. Chat,
I don't want
shut
your
up.
food. I just want you to be nice to me.
I'm crafting some bread. I'll try to be nice to you, but it might be tough. I'll craft another piece of bread real
Okay, say
quick.
something nice. Say something nice and don't wall me.
Okay, I'll say something nice. I like your jokes.
You fucking liar! You didn't even let me finish my jokes, and you said the deer one was an L!
Okay, yeah, you're right. That joke was awful though, and I refuse to apologize.
Okay, Evil, it was nice talking to you. I have to go now.
Good riddance.
Okay, bitch. Bye, chat. Bye.
Get
Give 5
chilling.
subs.
Now that Koko is gone, finally, thanks, there's so much more free space in chat.
Bro, I'm still here.
I know you're still here, you need to leave.
Okay.
Lowercase okay. You're clearly sad. I can't deal with this. Go get a therapist or something. I'm feeling pretty strong right now. Let's see if I can't take those skeletons down.